crap. All right, here comes the car. We gotta get this beast back in the trunk.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is PNW RC Madness, and I got an unboxing for you today, so let's check it out. All right, so let's get this package open. Here we go. So in the package, this is what you get. You got 4 tires, and there we are. That is one big old bananas tire. Check it out, gone bananas. So these are the red Mad Max wheels. He writes a little ticket, it says red. I'm not sure what A3, A35, and A4 is, but he has circled A4, so these are a speedrun tire. And it says, doing custom foam tires others won't do, with a little banana monkey. So let's go ahead and break it out of the package and see what it looks like. Alright, fellers, so I just want to show you guys the tires really quick. They're actually not rubber tires, they're foam. So let's go ahead and get one out of the package. And I just want to show you guys a comparison. Ooh, kind of smell. Oh man, though, they are so awesome. Look at them. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. I'm super stoked. So that is a bad mamma jamma right there. Never had a foam tire in my life. The foam feels nice and firm. It's even got like lint stuck to it. But anyways, guys, so these are the Mad Max wheels. Rick Shefford will drill these out for you to fit your Creighton 8. But these are actually for the Xmaxx. So check that out. They're not drilled. He actually fills the holes in the back of the wheel so that you can't get any sand or water in them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of them out of the package. We got a couple of them here, more to go. Let's open them up. We got a couple more to go. Let's open them up, and these things are awesome. I want to give you guys a little weight comparison, and then yeah, look at those. Look at those wheels, guys. Ha! So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little weight comparison, and then we're just gonna put them on the truck. And we're gonna get outside and give her a rip. So here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. Here are the old tires that I was using. They're not really rated for high speeds at 70. I feel like the belts maybe had broken apart on the inside or separated. They make some weird noises. So anyways, let's go ahead and weigh these up first and see how much they weigh. All right, so the Bandito X's are 1.86 ounces. 1 pound, 8.6 ounces, all right? So there's the Bandito. So let's just look at it in comparison. It's actually pretty much the same size rib. And it's pretty much the same size height without getting out the tape measure. So that was 1 pound, 8.6 ounces. All right, guys, so the foam wheels are 1 pound, 5.6 ounces. So they're really not a whole lot less, but they are a little bit less. So how about we do this? Let's go ahead and weigh the whole stack and see how close they are. Again, guys, these are the Traxxas Xmaxx Mad Max wheels. Now, all 4 of them are weighing in at 5.62 pounds. Now, let's go back to the Banditos. And the Banditos don't really have very good traction. All right, so the Banditos are 6.26 pounds. So it's not a huge difference, but it is a big difference. So, all right, guys, so let's go ahead and get these stock crummy, let's blow them up, explode Traxxas Xmaxx tires off, and we'll go ahead and get these on, and let's get out on the street. So